You just finished an important client call, and now you're staring at a messy transcript, trying to figure out what the key action items were. Sound familiar? I used to spend hours manually copying and pasting meeting notes, reformatting them, and trying to make sense of who said what. Then I'd scramble to create a decent looking presentation for client follow-up. Well, there's a better way. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any meeting transcript into a professional presentation. Using Tactiq and Canva together makes this absurdly simple. Let's be honest, we've all been there. Back-to-back meetings, end of the day, a desktop full of sticky notes, and no idea who volunteered to do what. Sure, getting used to a new process takes a minute, but the alternative is spending your evening trying to decipher vague promises from someone who said, "Let me circle back on that." The real issue isn't just time, it's the opportunity cost when key decisions get buried in transcript clutter. Your clients expect clean, actionable follow-ups. Instead, you're playing forensic analyst on your own notes. Without a process, action items disappear into the void, and client trust quietly erodes like your will to keep using spreadsheets. That's why this Tactiq and Canva workflow is such a huge help. Tactiq captures and summarizes your meeting, pulling out the key points and decisions. Canva then turns that structured summary into a slick presentation that's professional. No graphic design degree required. The best part is that the entire process only takes a few minutes and you'll go from chaos to clarity before your coffee gets cold. Let's break it down. All right, let's walk through this step by step first and foremost. I'll show you exactly what the workflow is I use for client meeting follow-ups. First, we need to get our meeting summary from Tactiq. To get started, open your Tactiq dashboard. In the left-hand navigation panel, we'll click on the My Meeting tab. This is where all your recorded meetings live. Now, from the Workspace toolbar at the top, let's select Summaries. You'll see a list of all your recent meetings here. Next to the meeting you want to work with, you'll notice a Generate Summary button. Let's click that now. It allows you to create a structured summary of everything that happened in your meeting. Once the summary is generated, we'll open the actual transcript. In the Contents panel, click on the meeting name to open it up. Perfect. Now, as you can see, there's the AI Meeting Notes text box with your generated summary. We're going to select the Copy option to copy this generated summary to your clipboard. Keep in mind that if you need to complete meeting details, you actually have the option to click Export in the top toolbar. This downloads the entire transcript with summary and meeting details as a file. Some clients really want every and awkward silence included. Now we have our structured summary ready for Canva. Let's move over to Canva now. The very first thing you want to do is go to the Canva homepage, obviously. From the primary navigation sidebar, we're going to click on Create. Then in the dialog that opens, we're going to select the Docs from the left sidebar. You'll see the Docs option right there in the Controls panel. Click on that to add a new file. Great. This opens up a document in a fresh new browser tab. Now we'll paste our copied meeting summary from Tactiq right into this document. Here's where things get interesting. You can go to the page thumbnails at the bottom of the editor. If you don't see the thumbnails, click the Pages icon to show them. When you hover over the thumbnail of the page you want to convert, you'll see a More Actions icon appear. Make sure to click on that. After that, from the list of actions that appear, let's click Convert to Presentation. This is my favorite feature because it does all the heavy lifting for you. This is Canva's way of saying, sit back, we got this. Now you'll see the Choose a Design screen. You can browse presentation styles under your brand or template styles. One of the nice things about Canva is how it automatically suggests designs that work well with your content. To preview how your presentation will look, click on any design option you'd like. After that, you can take a moment to see which style matches your client's brand or your company's look. Once you've selected a design that works, click Create My Presentation at the top of the dialog. From here, Canva will convert your document content into a new presentation file automatically. When you're done with creating a presentation, let's make this pop. You can edit layouts and tweak fonts, alignment, and spacing to match your brand perfectly. The best part is that you can actually visualize your data using Canva's built-in charts or icons for metrics and action items. This makes your follow-up much more engaging than plain text. For important quotes or key decisions from the meeting, you can use call-out boxes to highlight them. Your clients will appreciate seeing their own brilliance reflected back. Make sure to keep stylistic consistencies with fonts, colors, and template choices throughout your presentation, unless you want your slides to look like they were designed during a sugar crash. To make this presentation with my brand style, let's change the colors to blue and the font to sans serif. Look how awesome it looks now. You can also add images, icons, and even transitions or animations to your presentation where appropriate. We don't want to put too much though, because we're not trying to pitch a startup. like it's 2007. Now let's upload an image so we can have a nice and neat title. I have just the one that I would like for this presentation. Here it is. Let's check first whether it's not a picture of my laundry pile disguised as modern art. Now that we are done with presentation polishing, let's go through the details on how to share your presentation with the rest of the world. To do exactly that, in the upper right corner of the Canva presentation editor, we'll click Share. You'll see the list of options open up. You can copy the link to share your presentation directly with clients or select Download to save it in the Microsoft PowerPoint format, PDF, or other formats. By default, a 16:9 size Microsoft PowerPoint maintains the best formatting. Make sure to choose PDF for read-only delivery to clients who just need to review the content. A quick heads up about post-export considerations. Canva fonts may not always match perfectly with PowerPoint, so you might just need to replace missing fonts manually. For the best image quality, use high-resolution visuals and match your slide size to 1920 by 1080 to avoid scaling issues. The great thing is that this workflow saves you hours every week and makes you look like the most organized person in the room, even if your desktop is it's a digital junkyard. Unlike manually reformatting notes or using basic templates, this combination gives you AI-powered summaries that actually capture the important stuff. Plus, design tools that make everything look polished. You can reliably find all your action items clearly highlighted, decisions properly documented, and next steps beautifully organized. Your clients will notice the difference immediately. The best part is how this scales with your business. Whether it's weekly check-ins or quarterly business reviews, this method works every single time. Ready to transform your client follow-ups? Start by setting up Tactiq for your next meeting. Then grab a free Canva account if you don't have one already. You're ready to do what you've always wanted to transform your meeting chaos into clarity. Try it once and you'll wonder how you ever dealt with anything and survived with anything else. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.